lot of things. I'd probably start with
I like the way she smiles. She got me staring for a while. Got me staring for a while. Yeah, yeah. Baby, it's our conversation. She's my favorite notification. She knows how to dress for special occasions. She got me thinking life could be better. These songs start to feel like love letters.
I need to buy beverages, some electrolytes and some snacks. Yeah, so pupunta ako ng 7-Eleven to buy those essentials. And I think they're looking for me na. Ayoko kasi bumili sa gasoline station kasi sobrang mahal ng mga prices ng inumin doon. So, ito na lang sa 7-Eleven. Okay, so I have the things that I need and I'm on my way to see them. I'm on my way to see my new friends. Joke lang, hindi ko pa sila kalala. Nahiya ako magsalita. Pero I have to fight this or else magiging nonsense yung vlog. Anyway. Which is so shaky. Babalik din naman kami dito pagbaba. So, you guys will see kung anong tsura niya pag may araw. Pero, it's all dark. And let's push back. Very sharp and pointy. It can pierce through your gloves if you're not careful. Here I am vlogging this whole experience because for some reason I decided to do this. Imagine I could have been in my home resting, enjoying my long weekend. Yet here I am. Part to ng process yung pagka-complain, pero you have no choice. I have to climb it kasi sayang naman. Parang corals yung texture ng stones. I think nakalubog to dati sa dagat. Yan po.
Alin.
Ito yung may tagip.
Wow!
What? Akit ka?
Mas okay yung ano, doon ka nakaano isang pa mo. 1, 2, 3.
Ubusin pa. Ay, magkakasama rin po pala kayo. Isang 18 po.
19.
19.
Okay na po. Doon po. Naman siya yung camera.
Hindi ko picture? Wait lang kuya.
Picture lang kung madali nila. Ano sir?
Who's to know what happens when the world ends? At least this is an okay bar for running into you.
Ma'am, nangangawit na eh. Ma'am, Ismail! Ismail! Dami kasi eh. 1, 2, 3.
It's an awful house, and I wanted to get you out. I'm working on a plan right now to come through. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down. Oh, nothing feels the same.
Doon tayo galing, di ba? Wait lang. Kapagod?
Yung ano ko. Gala.
Binakayan lang eh.
Binakayan lang isang ano ba?
Saan po?
Yung nakaganon.
Hindi. Ito na.
Saan? Ay,
Sa-
nasakay di. Ha?
Oo.
Tingin ko sa baba.
May naiwan.
Hindi tayo nakakuha ng group pic doon. This is our second peak. This is Mount Pamitinan.
Shall I compare to a summer day? She's the sun, she fill out the gray. Quench my thirst, she's my lemonade. The yellow that I couldn't paint. Shall I compare to a summer day? Just like the sun, it will never fade. The cool breeze in the shade, my four leaves to the blade. Right to my mistakes. I just know she'll be my downfall. When the rain it pours, my heart will forever take a toll. 'Cause she's all I know.
Lapit na tayo. Sabi yun eh. Nakakalain na yun eh. Extreme pa nga eh. Kasi sharp. Ano yun?
Oh, tapos wala pa tayong harness.
Oo.
Oh, giyat naman.
Ito sa zipper doon. Makakable.
Sir, ano yun?
Taas. Sabi nila ito daw mas pinakamadali. Pinakamaba.
Oh, maikli. Pero ang physicality niya. Gusto tayo dito mag-combination ng one. Medyo mabawal pa makita ko sa pero to ano. Aray. Baka nagiging nerdy. Wala nang time pumaga.
Grabe, naka-3pix tayo.
Cellphone.
Kaka-proud.
Oh my God.
First time ko maka-3pix.
Yung uling yun. Yung maliit na yun. Kaba.
Almost down, it's like doing a night. Nothing, just kick it back here with you and I. You can wrap me around your finger like a band. It's nothing I don't mind. You know I'll be around whenever you like. In a hoodie or a suit and tie. All of me for all of you. That's
We're going home.
cause mine's been stuck on you. Tell me what I should do. Forever not long enough when it's just us two. Been stuck on you like it's the
Hello. So I just got home from hike. Actually, yesterday pa. I mean, last night. And I'm still tired. Oh my god. Ngayon pa lang nagsisingan sa akin na nag-hike ako ng 3 mountains. I was not expecting it's going to be actually 3. Just, yeah, looking back, wow, I really did that. Anyway, I'm sorry for not speaking too much sa vlog kasi ako lang naman mag-isa tapos I just met 4 people na I become friends with. Going back to my point, it's ridiculous to talk to a GoPro while you're with strangers kasi some people might feel uncomfortable with that. You know, one way or another, you're gonna accidentally film someone or may mahagip ka na someone sa video. And I try not to do that as much kasi I value other people's privacy online. Kaya if you look at my social media, I rarely post someone or I rarely post someone sa feed, only sa stories. And whenever I do that, I also ask for their permission to be posted kasi some people are so conscious about themselves. Ako din naman, very conscious ako about myself. When I edit this vlog nga, I had to remove some parts kasi I was so ugly. Imagine nag-hike ako nang wala akong tulog. Well, ganun naman every hike. I don't know why I'm still surprised bakit ako nag-hike nang walang tulog Anyway, thank you for watching my another hike vlog. This is one of many. And I'll see you on the next hike vlog. Bye-bye, love you.